Then yeah.
Ah.
Baby a menu ana mesa sia woni ndim.
Ye ka mensa.
Na den.
Baby a banu ana baasa.
Baby a banu ana besa.
Okay. Can you answer the work? Answer na actually. Come to do cancel and then what hit papa. Yeah, go Facebook. That's correct. I saw what you. But what can I never know? Oh, sorry, my family.
Sorry, o sha me ne tintin ya be. Na o kala ko ye wa hwe wani ma to kala ni. Yes na wo hye na woni nanim se o.
E tell e sha me se o ni muti no.
O kala hye we bi da. Ya dia ke karo.
Ala o ti hye.
O ti hye ni ti ni we nko ye. Ti se wa ma di ke bi e che se o hye. E ni ngu asia ta ta.
That's a baba.
Ya no ahbo ko de.
Na na wo request say ni.
En semesi krom. Wa wo land ya wo tie me. Radio station bi ani Ghana ha betima ate de ekoso wo Ghana just a Rainbow Radio. Eti wa wo tie de wa de ya bobo papa. Wa nya ho wa de na e mobo. Eye pu anka coronavirus a chenwa wa admission.
Ya de na e bon pa say ko so ka say enti obi na fa
na wo te ho na wo ntie de ye ya na so pa admission akọ. What ma say eti fra nwa bi na ka chenwa nwa bi say ye bedi nkomo. Na asem si a Hani a papem. Asem kesi edike nsidi se so human to be pie fidem.
Ade.
Say a year lockdown when you be under in chain.
Wow. What you have done?
And was a nanka lockdown e by so go human bra body na gese obi nene da. Obi a wawale a ni kunu ye rented product. Was enye easy. Mu envy so go human say musimu nya year of return be me ya manka manya bia. Bisane de akoso lockdown yo no kwa lock na ho. And I fed it him. Oh, friend and crock, I saw him. Go back to say.
So, Cocasa, like oh, Yamia.
Now that and the Yamin on the show, no, I want to say, I will Casa or no Casa, Mimicasa, and I will only Nacasa, Menacasa, and there. Sisi amena me betie nyamena ne chate o men ka so ne na chate wo ne na kasa na o ne nte say we ye nipa bone pa o mpese ga yi code yi beko so go human running nose I greet you lack of good sexual intercourse what's when you code o tia de ga u be nu papa say wa wale u be gbo won sa no say u kuna to kwai no lockdown ya maso na so ntimi to kwai no fright be ambassador for me chiam no fright na Bernard Mona said then o man penya ka no smacks who so she be that hey Bernard Mona no man penya she no smacks I dey how o sha ma why me am last time she no smacks to a picture na me say am robber me she bi o na
Wawa so we say no smacks we say am robber
me dey
we say am robber
man ka say me am robber me say na wudi am robber
na say wo na wo
na wa hu bi da
enti se ma wo kuro mu no ye be di ka hwe Canada Japan ene obi nim eno achi afia so asire ga no akopa afia so asire ga na no apa beto pa obi nim so fo nketo na akopa ne che se onyai manenka na wo di asem cha na mfa hwe nche enti eno so ho Councillor Akwaba
ye no akpoko de
yanko anim eno ne sama e trend nti yamfa no 1111 Canada Japan ni we die no obaka bi na fe obi nim asofo nketo no so
obisi on team ne na nyum na no wode nti nyum no kra mbi nyum no kra media na uti enya nyum nti wo apanyum eti kola ko download neti eya nyum ye twam sisi ya na ibeti atwa alala do gbela la ka fo me da ye dum se ye ode me chia mu nyina nya me hira mu nyina ba bia mu bia asemu wate me ja nyum no bo oti we Chalma nyum no kono munti Dana Samuel yes
ara o to Dana Samuel
tie Dana Samuel me ka wo se wan be pacho ampa sorry ni chowa mene wo Ghana ha ya wie social distance ni lockdown yi
na sofo bi de oto billboard so a me ne sofo no wo bi di e wo bi ka honam ene sunsun next week me dey don e ba
sasema ya odon wa sasema o
odon wa
ya odon wa
en wa fa mame
asem no wa nka ne sa
na o twa ntoro na
wo se o titim tazogu ayi ezema fu titim tazogu be wa nka ne sa
na no kan
no wo tie ne sai
audio no ha no tie no kan yo
ya odon wa am fa ma
fa don no mame den na usuro
kasa me be ma
fa don no mame ha no tie no kan ye station here rainbow bi bisa se radio Facebook for them to me o sa Facebook nkola ya be ya nyame adom wa o ma nya kwai no tie no o say yes say Cecilia Mafo titinte so gun grofo anum na ko UK kra no ye ka kire no so titinte so gun grofo anum ene e bisa am say we hu ana o say e wo social media ne boys no so aka eti de ye ka won ti ase no Cecilia Mafo de no po de we unia ba na we agu ne nima so de be ba wo de ba be so je agu ba de me kan say wo si asofo agi ofre nyina no nyame mfre wo asofo encho omo ni anwa nyame mfre wo asofo omo ye omoji momo etama lockdown ba nyame mfre wo asomo e bo mpa ye gu to so e obinim nyame mfre wo asofo e bo mpa egu oil so opa boy nyame mfre wo obinim nyame mfre wo asofo ni nyina ho se nyame mfre wo na me se omo nyina omo sika na wo de amenne wa sebi na wo na ka wo sebi fata nyankopon asem ni na asori nti age afore ama wa nenne utwi pons first na wo utwi pons watade ye mu kura sesa enti kasa wa kasa ti asori ni asofo no Dina Samuel Evangelist me say be pacho me de ya me nfa me ho me de o kan bi de yampa o me we je yampa ma jimi usi me boda for yampa usi ma dwi nye yampa ni nye ntro ade de wo me ho na aka nye ntro de America ni se ohima me sro Evangelist Dina Samuel bra na be pacho chopper de hia na make chopper na me de call celebrity.com anyyan.com and our bloggers na aka sa afia shuas ni ga bayifuo yi a Efia ya beyo. Efia.
Woni ne ko. Bayifo na ehunu nyonko bayifo.
Tio, ye kasa obi ye beyi a. Beyi ye obi a on pa de pa.
Na ni brade.
Udi edu ni so aka ho. Odi nkrofo tiki kabom. So se man so obi titi kabom bia no. Or witch. Na witch ni craft ka ho. Efia dia no ye witch. E na craft ni ka ho. Na because o ye witch is because of nyama oye. She's acting just like a witchcraft. I don't know, yes, sir. Kikan Crofotibom. Yeti one kotia. Or say, Dr. Ting Yiri, kama, get your sissy who sweet. A queer pepebi, and who first sing if you are snigger 464 times. Not just say 1 year, yesterday, half year come.
Who are they who say Obi? We headmaster.
If you are sure nigga on call beauty pageant, we are not to be called that. This is called ugly pageant. If you are called ugly pageant, but beauty pageant, the one I can. I did America if you're sure no one said no time. And mammy woo no. Nakonya bola sunipa su bola so and get two no to so na no nyefe. Or no kai. I'm quoting okay on social media. Nam de go catch my wrote from Waka Buashe. And you no describe said on your sin who nyefe. And abako se musu nipa describing who no fan describing what say no. And your sin who nyefe agreed.
Okay.
Efia will go for ugly pageant, quote me everywhere, according to herself. They are to be recorded that one say obiye ni asasi so ofa ni kurechi ya chineda. Nipa ofa ni kurechi ya chin won tape Efia Schwarzenegger. Na sa video ni ye nyina ye wo bi our YouTube still. Wa force sa to be nko.
So mo ye nempie.
O say
omo ye nempie.
Ye nche wa wonye ye. Eti Efia ni ate ye nkoti o si ni kuru nja ne se wa fa ni chintia na oba de ofa okunu chi a utumi nkokot e kodi divorce enti ono wan fa ni kuru chi ne eja na wade Efia wan na aka se be kirekire mu oka we nyina bi ye nkoti a o si obi de trig ekua Dr. Ting bala ba no ni na wo last no o akwa bi de trig ono share de nyinse na akola ne se no ye nkoti o si osofo bi de amoaten or Dr. Tigrin Edda. Adia Chia, Yan Kotia, celebrity.com, yan.com, and Anquala bloggers be a kawasie. Akofa or sofubi picture be bam. Tie me.
Me too.
Dear me, Yanni say. O ye ya enyeno. Wa be pacho say yenjai. Say what is she aprekwewu. Anante.
Matisi as you be so we are now.
Ayen tro. website bi na be tro me website bi a me pese mo credit e be tro se me mewu me ko abrochire me gina report
ya tani ya no kaka fa won se wo wusu aro ta mo ya so
sunsu debi sunsu wu yasem de ba ye gbo wo wuto wo sunsu mu yase a na ehunu kanwa na wo sunsu ma ba fom eti yetuma bo wade wo sunsu mu
sa
eti ro pasi ye gbo wuto a wonya wu ye na ma kwantenti anya no kre
enti wo mbo
ye gbo wuto ye gbo wuto na wanya hu bibia obekọ ese ehu ka wo pe ebi ayale ebi abibi nko ye ma na ye ma show ubusuafo afrawo enti sa fake news no o man panyin po yete ho endi o mene so obekasa ena obi ko ye fake news o man panyin che na duane so obekaya so okai ekrofo di fake news by obi ye mo ndokno a no ayi sade afiso no ayi social media video enti entrone cost too much so it is time say ye siu krofo enti celebrity doctor be pacho ena me ka say amoate mo no me sramo the chess celebrity ni ye ni boys na be me ya me be me ya pa because obepa acho no go to Matthew say Nyankopon say so the crofo born chewa odo de obechew ensan from me no wo celebrity.com yen.com wo nimpa said ye wo ken eyentro say efia stores nigga say amoatin pastor amoatin video bi da e ba ni say na kofa brand amoatin picture di ba no pa be post
na brand amoatin no so nye sa pastor na
anyo no
na wo nim brand
min bro sa this ono UK.
Okay. Oni Ghana on UK nipo odi ni huni yes president ye nyina wa boa you fa no ye enye lockdown kan ogomase oye na de but ye make an say efi ambo obi adin won say na be ye ni tie no obekun obewia no wase sa na efi atie na wo yan.com wan hu efi abe yi sem oye nti wakoje na wo di picture beto ho ye kan ya se me pacho me see me mom mpre na mbe kokota enyo mo nko na beko apreku me meko am apreku me agasa me kwa mame ho yeti on ye say chikata wu so ko wu sa read you read here I mean then ekoso enya de pa ye bo wuto sa website foi obi antwi obi aso enti ye me de me gina obi abigina minim say brand amoten ene ni busuafo de omo pe fa che enti ne ye won say na omo so mo duabo ma nsi omo amu duabo amu fa mu nsi no na wo ni boniface
de dey
so obi aye wade na Yesu Kristo ro boy ye krase ye fa ye ho boni
na sa Yesu Kristo na no sin do bi so me ye kwase akaman sa Yesu Kristo na no ka se mu galento fo jimi fo ene Yesu na de ka
ese no ye wo mu beto wa
ese krofo jimi ese ye won ena ye enkwadu be bi so krofo bi ya de anya ese ye mo mu se de mo ye ne nye how do you take somebody's picture
ene wo
you have degraded the person obi hard end suffer mo wa bresa akave in life wa ye ni bi ade na kofo the picture ye say aprekuti ni be bi owu ye ade na kobo ni wuto chachichi katatio ade na mo ye sa ese obi aya na ye say retract and apologize miguso e di chopa kese e ma brand busuafo amoate ebusuafo mesremo munsu yen.com mesremo munsu celebrity.com mesremo
ona otwe ma bi asiso
me chuma munsi omo na munsi omo a krom ebetedin sankole ya nya credit kakra chro no investigation website bloggers website writers editors omo go school omo say journalism na make us omo say journalism nyina mo yedin Kennedy Japan oni ni host no te wa na se no yam e ya gro me fa hu di agro na se nya agro na se no yam e na nti afo munyina mo ejimifo sa asem no ka no se ya no krepa he's not good to attack the host if it's not a joke munyina ma yedin
David host no ne ye adwuma no ono na sa show na oye no oni Kennedy Japan na ye TV say Kennedy Japan dia na eta ro dem
point of correction Kennedy Japan David Kennedy Japan the tears say say wo boss director me dan say nyame hira no bi o bi ase o me kwanya yi UK fo ya mo pam ma no ma me kwan opam ya me ba bi o te da me kan director e betena kodua yi mu sesi a onye director or your guest and only Kennedy Japan ya de na because enra document about say first press freedom in Ghana yakosro
first of 27.
You see what? Yako 30 means that the freedom is not there.
Yeah.
Because the host, I don't see the host doing his work.
As a watono.
I mean, the fact that the station is yours doesn't mean you can just do that.
Yeah.
The protocol for a host and a resource person must, okay, it's a fact, uncanny fact, but degrading the host, and I make us say, Muti, what you are so to say, Obi so no arena, men cast a son, so I see a day. sorry why mesremo amatenfo munka mo hobom me de obi abeba me de apreku beba me de chikata beba me de obi a yabonu wuto bi aba na yensu yen.com yensu celebrity.com omo maka nyina yensi wo ne ye kesi asem we Trigmatic ye kase trigger obi a say Trigmatic ye why enum tuni rapper
mama fa ayi happy birthday ma shake Saributu
Bema ba
101
Ogusuko shake ye shiao Bema ba ye shiao pa me kase ye kase siwa Trigmatic akome any lawyers akome afia sho as nigga siu say all retracted no apologize asem ye hunti o Dr. Tini ne yire ahofa girl and who say afia sho take 464 times wa plus 100 have ye otuma say ye da wa foko ade Wuti we wana ka kire enne nkoma abedi hu ahofa hu faso wa wade
ahofa obeti
masa ohia ni na kasa sa
ohia sen
na kenya ahofa
di ahofa na ahofa ne ko awobede
enfa ne ko
na ahofa di
ohia o wari ohia ne wa hu ahofa ko mesi ye beba ho ye mesi ye beba ho ye beba ho na ganu ekua ne hu afesen fia 464 times it means that the 100 days account after 1 year sana afia ho time be ti obekọ ugly pageant uncle beauty pageant ugly pageant no be stand first efia ni girl comparison menye the same girl ya wale efia wale oto awade so efia ni obi obe wale no de wale no wantumi ant na awade no ho e so fa ni kunu chikura na asem no say ye otima say wale pen egu e no be so obi ade egu asem a ye kan komoyi efia sore ya o say Trigmatic na oni saga yi dan ya wo ne last one na Dr. T enko check na ye ka trig go kro mu one trick rapper ba ko pe DJ wa kran ko body yum back ma mo card ba kro e frɛ no Trigmatic yes sorry ya oh yes sorry ya man sermons if you are sorry I no pay you say I will not apologize and retract Celebrity.com for patron if you say I will not retract and apologize. If you are dim papa, and now if you are with your boy, no, a jana for now, Yanwa, China for now, a Yanwa, a live bed if you are ready. I didn't know apologize or say, trick no can I say no Facebook, then your rapper trick. Or see a net Trigmatic rapper, no can I say, what you will be, what you will trick the banner saying, yeah. The all can na Facebook na say eno the edi kan Dr. Tin o say akola ne nya oba na trick ba eti Dr. Tin enko DNA na oye DNA ken na abofra no aye Dr. Tin ba bi afia hu say ne yire ne ene obi na nyem ye no ho na be de assembly asise because when we fear the oye and me a trick lawyers I will still push because the name when you mention trick in this country that resonates aye yen Trigmatic otonyo but won say fie adwane am enti mu amudi afie chi munya careful obepa won say opasem ama celebrity.com obi oye na adwuma ku wo UK won say opasem ama no mu de afie atwura mu godi nachi entro no odi na de di kan say sebio ekua kura fa ni kunu achi afie fa ho ya nche no won ya cho so obi ade afie ada aye bia Dr. Tia frɛ say police ana efia awade egu a wo ekua awade egu a efia efa ho eya asade ye hwe ne ye masiu no ndos wo kro mu na nkrofo nsu ade efia kotena ne kitchen eno ano no de obeka bia osew bia da bia nye anti efia am apologize you see I will not retract
njoba jansa
say trigger so na mo onamo our lawyer papa you be pressing because the name, the trademark name in this country is Trigmatic, the rapper. And yes, I'm waiting for the minister say, I'm manaka. Trig so much as say, na kroma koda baby. Now, who can be Nick and the Japan? And some can the Japan car for being Munina and Gosiaga.
So I say, Neireno, Eddie, your friend is saying, Ninia Adana Nerena Cotton Spina, or your video descending and send bebre 80 no. Obi, no, Nobia, if I get a ball. Obi, anybody, any buzoni. And Nobia, on no Waleno. And you over a dinner at this and send me a cuckoo, and shall say as simple.
say ya obi ni mako ka say owo coronavirus edru eno so wan kan ba bia na eno de honorable Kennedy Japan ayi ya na awie na o ma ne so the beef ba eno ano o wa obi nka asem wo se wa kan eno se me nkan o yi na no a e se de ntoko a yeti wa kromu yi ba
woni e bia na platform na wanya dina so etisu ni na ma na kika.
Oh, there's a platform in here. Mo amutie na mo fa asem na asem nti na ya asem. Ba me ka say the course between Obinim and Honorable Kennedy Japan enye news. And no be friend beside me say ebema Obinim asoro na egu enya no kre. Obinim de nkrofo yire no da, nkrofo yire no na pe. Say Obinim ni omonda. Me nkoti a osebo. Woni mo osebo?
Abo osebo minimum osebo.
Osebo Zara boutique. Your friend they need to say your friend say nana ba na mo ba ne papa
your friend say
Zara boutique nana ba na mo ba ne papa no ono so
nana ma na mo ni kunu
anya ni kunu so wale no ne ba ne papa baby daddy osa na edi nim no ono so akokasa say ampa say ni ex wife ye po anya na nka yedim so no ex wife yedim so wale da o say ni ex wife no o confirm say ampa say obi nim ene nada na ye ni interview ni wan kasa ono so trendy na so bi de oyira da de di kan obi ni manya kwan no oyira da aye bia susum wiase ni obi sho oyire no ne da ubo ni dua be ka no mrem no obi sho oyire no ne da de ne kokota e be pene so na so obi oyire pene na obi de ne da de di kan boni pen na ni pa na ye enti ye keka kosi sen ena obi nim de obi a da wo wiase mu kura nyankopo adom ne nhwa so no emfi ni so na emfi ni so kira den ye yia na ne so for na ko pa ne cho so onye den
so ontwa
den so
asem na ono ayi Kennedy Japan
we enya chopa obi ni mankasa no de ohu ane se de Kennedy Japan honorable no enkosi aga ehu ni mfaso eti oka onja manenka no kure wo ho ne se obi nim nyame afre no oye nyame adwuma na waje nkrofo nkwa enkrofo sunsum kura ne nsem beyifo bia ni kuro yi mu obeya ma obi ni adwuma na gu fom na wo aye ka wo hwa wan ka ye ubewu ni wenu moja wo Yesu din
o de no me ye wo wenu papa
o se dan we am bible
ya go fa na apostle na o de ba
ne dan ya go fa ni nufu ana na ko ni nufu e wo so anti ajo wo sira na nufu wo so
so adeshima ma yoma munyina ha eba Rainbow Radio 87.5 Ghana ene UK so na poso amensaka ena mede besomo no donko ba ye beji adwana nsam na ya twene abasa ene sre amamo midin edi afia ejeyi sikapa ensam bia mo betene se Greater Accra Regional Police PRO DSP afia tenge o say ewo mo se a police fo a wo mo ebo ye ho gwan abra lockdown e ba ye no wo ma test COVID-19 bi na mum obi ani wa oye positive nyame ya adoma wo chena ena ye nuane muslimi wo mo ede wo mo Ramadan kese no ebe hihye so ena ye betwe pini wo na ya domo esuko ne wo mo abonkomo sanso ena wodi weni echiremo ewo Denchembo district asesei wo mo arekode wo mo first case eye COVID-19 ye ne DC yo ho no mo ebe kasa na insa wo mo nso arekode wo mo first case na eno so ye ne enkofo ekasa efa Deputy Western North Minister say aban appointed na se ono ene wontenam no on act as DC for Bia West adesimama and some when ye ka ho bi and na donko bo a ye de beba be somo se nyankontom nsem kase midin e de afia ejeyi sikapa councillor o toaso
et wo kasa na nufu wo so what is it now kasa wo sen wo Facebook
o kasa nyina o hwe no nufu
now kasa mim ye jimi fo na kasa wo hwe na de o anim ya kasa ho ye ka ho
ka bo ko tu Bible ka se
Bible nka se be so hwe premier nu a enti mani da no so mani dauso afie
kasa onenye
me mani adawu nu fo yeso afia nu fo yo now fofo
open for pana
me penu for na me wo bo ho no fo ane na mama ni agye ese nyankopo wa shiro no onya ne bibia akwa oma no fo anu agye woto enti obaby a wonu phobia wonu to anoto ho ehwo atochema
baby
kana wachini ahwa we ya mano sitting posture we are friend sitting posture nnuanum ne arofo gia no otwa mo hwa no to a sitting posture so ko hima me chia wo ponyani ama woto
we oni so ko ma de ne so
nya so ko dia no oya we dia me ti ase oru fo ni bi ati oni bi nya ko po me papa ya man we yesu tu boni bi a we ti a waje ne to me sro fo na de mo no se mo hye na je ka ne de mo me hwima no Boa for there. 0277 609 6 boa for there near you to my boa for there. Bema. Ene enkoma ye wodie no. Ye bisa say on the road of marriage no. Ahun ofe. Role bend dey play. Physical appearance. Role bend dey play. E wade no. Na ya kan kosu obi ade no. Mesre enkoma ye di nyina no. Yen serious trending issues e ko krom. Wow nim say ye ka obi ni masema onti ase no. Ye careful because my catcher say anybody who go and write anything about Obinim story that you don't know anything about, because I hate to say you're 2 years as so. Ya call your bedukobi, ye Obinim, ye see Kennedy Japan honorable, yet was here, fill our one united. If you are possible, can you fill our one united old filler? If you see filler Kennedy Japan one united, a yet filler,
filler now, we even I trace you will be a wounded school teacher, the primary school teacher, the middle school teacher. Now, Kennedy go home, primary teacher, the head. Another Kennedy Bopa, secure safe for investigation, or the coronavirus investigation for medicine. And I want to you. The Americans honorable, the oil Obini, and Kofa Shemba, Obini Monia Bonibia, Midam Guzuka, Obinim de Ma 400, Dakra, Yankopan Dumna, one day or so. Bible Mayata says, if ni Adam, ever Edin Tronuma, if did you have a Bonia Boniba Hono, Yankopon by your team, Adam! Otinene nyankopon frewa no wa frewo enya boni bia be na nyankopon ni be ebe twen afi na ni onyamu enti ono mukele Japan nyankopon asori dan no bibia ni wa wo be yegu asori dan no asori fo amu obi ni bechi o mesre mu mfa mpaibo asofo nyina mu fa mpaibo enta nyame asori achiro na be fasori o ombe ni moja wo manu they will die and the church of the Lord will stand obinim Yedin. Okay. Cancel Lutrot. Over to me to text message about 0500 875 875. 0500 875 875. Facebook so over to my live. Our Rainbow Radio 87.5. And I'll call Cancel Lutrot. I also saw over to me here no. Nature no Bobokala Kuran sorry. And nature is a Bobokala. Yeah.
What's a Michanisha wine?
Minkase Mikase show.
Now say na wa hu Bobokalada.
Na mi Bobokala mi hu da.
Me wa hu
na hu da.
Na we din fie sen.
Bobokala menena start a concert party.
Now enti wan so ya concert party.
Me ya concert aja ko wi na mi kwala.
Hey.
Oh yes.
Pacho.
Oh yes.
Pacho.
Oh yes.
Hey.
Oh yes.
We be and na lewe go kan ya. When na lewe go kan ni TV tutu ye no.
Oh yes.
Wo say
Fraja ko kanya so ni masifi ana.
Se we oye oden.
Se me ne no na wo se mase concert party ye nyina.
Wo say aja ko ye wo akwala.
Eh makwada. Me ni nyina de dada ba hu.
Aja ko.
Me na me ka tro.
Ye aja ko an carry wi. Wo say
wo no waka ho.
Na aja ko last time be no concert party.
Oh se wo jai.
Enti ewu ana wo jai.
Wo jai ewu aja ko dia ne talent ntimi wo. Wo jai.
Then the talent. Talent
like the sound ne concert talent na.
Oh yeah.
Jai we na say juma bia ya ye jai.
Aja wo jai. Aja ko jai.
Wo jai.
Na sense so bia use ni bi o.
Na so omu use twa movie. We aja ko use twa movie. Enfie say ni.
Anti wo jai na agu.
Wo jai.
Aja ko jai ati.
Wo jai ati.
Oboa.
Ni latest movie ya dai.
Friend ni am friend no.
Ana mi choose jai wo jai ni friend
mo
friend eye.
David obi o she wase. Menka bi ma no. Eja ko yo obi a career na okura no. Fred Amugi. Emu age na omu ko no. They were still acting. Etu ka say go jai. Ani we jai o ye den. Then we jai
acting no.
Debi. On jai. Friend ni am friend no. E say Lewin. Abema na de negu.
Ejako is better, far.
No, you can't say he's not better because you are close to him. But when you see Ejako creating eyeballs and Lewin creating eyeballs, to be honest with you, when it comes to eyeballs why Santo when fi ho Santo when fi ho Santo wuye owuye na ke say Judas ne betra ho na Judas ankasa without Santo no nyobia na odwan go share bruchiri
na ajako ebebe
ejako ama ejabi wo ejabi ti ase na won ne ye concert party eti wona piano man be ye besi ene ye ka say ejago career na wu na wo se enwuye no no ejai wan ne ka say onjai Ghana fo a ye show na wa sorry ejako wo de wa ho de ejai ubisa him permission did ejako ask us to stop acting? Don't come and tell me this and let me be angry. That ejako has stopped acting for what? Is it that he doesn't have the skills anymore or what? Or he doesn't create eyeball anymore?
Your friend in Obebitobia.
Obebiti wine. And ejako ya nebeka say lewe ama obi am friend bio. Na na what ya say wajai.
Na me say lewe ni mre na aba obi a woni mre.
Eti ejako mre twam.
Enti na wajai no.
Eti atwam na wajai. Wo so so wase na so twin kan kure.
No cry na.
Waiting na wo concert party wait me for do baby a. Wo dia baby wo radio host to me. Hey, eti se na wo ka mo ho. Hey, Kings of concert party. Kings of baby. Ya show Facebook. Yeah. Kings of concert party. You ready go run. Ya go be jako ya. Come here.
Jako boss am no here.
Oh yes, I know. I will. Ya bi dey share. O sara si o kala o de ku no sere.
O se ma de ku.
O kala kura no ati aso do wu ya da.
O kala de se no.
No ati.
No ati. E just commande mu nyina.
Eti ni kaya ne gu ya na ngu.
Owu no wu ya nya se.
Eti ni de na ngu.
Dabi.
Na so che se wo gina so ka se. O ne wan?
Me. Ajaku. Alabastam. Pa George.
What is saying? Member age, boss be ready. Member age.
Na bi se visa.
The member age, boss be ready. One person and to call retirement.
E wo de ho.
Just say age na nya retirement age na de.
Mi nyini sa, but me no mo na ye adwuma.
No mo hye wase.
Da bi me ka so mo hye me se Ajako de na me ne da. Me ne na bibia.
Woni ne da se den.
Me ne da ba kum. E wo konkoma.
Ajako.
Ai, me na me ka tro.
Konkoma market.
Yes.
E wo Accra konkoma market.
Me na me tro. O pa fen say oni masiri fi.
Na ma sidan wo ho.
Ye da nu ya dam.
Woni Ajako.
Me na me tro.
Na nya na nka ye ni mo.
Na e me tro se du ba bi aho. Ebre dane.
Enti ebre na dane ama.
Ana so so ebre dane ama ni we. Ajako.
Kare de gu ase eja ama nan. Kare ye ya de na gu fo bi
fe we. Wo se na wo de se wo na. Enti nya Ajako se wo ye be ka wa.
Da be Ajako sem ka ho.
Enti no.
Take you flat.
Sangro from Bomu di nyina. Pa George, me koya san e de be twa me movie. E ma me fa no as a producer.
Enti why producer da? Hey, next week mama wa tran no interview. What bro?
Me movie 2, me movie 3 or so. Me sa fa Pa George e fa Ma Jane, uni Ma Jane.
Debut. You say actor.
Oh actor.
Ni body to sing.
Oh mami o ofire kwapimi.
No, the one am to sing.
Oso kakra. E fa obi njiga.
One fetch chewa. Now what is it chewa ko wale? Say ni kunu nkisi nko ntuma nkisi no hwe sa we.
Ade ne senya.
Say minim na wade no mo ye ne kra. Chewa de ne busan for hano. Hey, Ghana for. Nyami chewa ko wale finally after 48 hours divorce no ko wale.
Oh senje nsawe.
Essentially na the record we breaking record we Ghana ha the fastest marriage to collapse. Hey chewa.
What's in there kon say?
The year kon say, to say who still will say. What's a ho nyefe?
Nyamia tenesa de noti abomi abasa o kan say no.
Eh men ka say noti. When I see the noti, wo ti we noti near the ball.
Na e de na bomi.
We am for noti ambo. Adam pen near the noti ball. Ya kenyin na noti near the ball. Ya the spam the ball. What ma say enti. And then come on be on the role of marriage you say. What is the role of beauty in marriage? Say oba bema esi na adwimpi. Say okofa oba aware no. De di kan. Ahofe ro kra be kan otwi mu say ahofe
ayi be ro ne ye e de na
ahofe
e de ba wawale mu
me da say bema ukopo ba ko e ne ho ade ye kasa last time many Sukohima flat chest yankoma ye di ye ne say
de di Sukohima
flat chest oni nufo wo kra me ne we so me bre o unim za
ade
me be ma host me bre pa meti a
oba
he no ba ti wani ma unya inspiration Bear mati when ma desperation.
Young quite why?
Therefore, any may break. Na beneden. Ushia bear man so nye bear may be a wabot tie or suit. Na branty shati or tiway, who dear minka. Nyame body pan obo more time. And obo more of it. Nyame the sa. And the Bible my says Genesis woman my says na papa bi tena ase oni ma wo ni din di Laban. Laban oni ma wo nti owo ma be ma bi owo ma nko oni ma wo be ma oni ma wo na wo be ma wo ba nti owo ma na ma na owo ye no de edi kan ye friend Leah na de etoso me friend then Rachel na Rachel na owo no na Leah na ye panyin no hwe ndwan no the fair shepherdess oyo ba wo hwe ndwan se na ne papa ni be ma enti na Rachel na kokrom ni nwa ketwa na ekọ na hwe ndwan no okoma wo suo ene won ko didi no ne omoba ena Jacob edwane fi ni papa ho esase ne maame ni papa wade anya wade papa na Rebecca enya Isaac wade enye ese bema ni kru te ho ane ne yire te ho na wade ya obehira ne ba bema na ne baba onfa ne ba na wokukua mu nka ngire no obefre ne yire enti ne nkomo minu ayi ba be di ni se ahofe ro be ne play na ema obuo ni odo etena wade mu ana na den ne ma awadefo ebe wura awade mu a omo kasa ye de wura awade mu no edu pempensuo be na awade ne kasa ne sesa. Okay. So what is the role of beauty when it comes to a man choosing a life partner? Na nokura wo me say na me ka no preamble ni kire say nyame bo nipa no obo omo otan and obo omo ho ofe. What must say? Ye bo na ho otan na ye bo omo ho otan ni abo omo ho fa
fashion was say
say na gese ba ko pomete say mu hwe mi Twitter na mo base dia kafra ahwefo edi omo nya correct o chocho nyama na okay kan wa hwa do anya siu she can be, no she's not, don't say that way again me to akomo so eti ya bo obi ane ho ofe ene ya bo obi ane ho otan na obi ane ho ofe na obi ane ho otan de omo nyepe enti na Rachel ne ho ofe ni nwa ba ye friend Leah ne ho otan enti ye ba na ho ofe ni ye ba no ye friend say obi ane ho ofe na ne ho otan ye nyina ya mbo ye mpe enti ya men kan bi da obabi enti be ma kwa akope eyira ba oyira odi be fie ni say odi oyira onu ankasa ne ho ofe na be fie na me ka che obi afa na akope yire say men fa gela ne ho otan be fie wo shia gel no ni nu for men fa ne be fie wo shia gel na me to ye flat men fa ne be fie Ushi again na nim ye dry or crack lips me fa ne be fie tie ni pa because ebusuafo enye suban ye hwehwe ye hwa mofe Bible ne say God looks where inward. Miss Ghana girls in ye go twa one picture ye twa one picture no ba mo hu ye from say it's not us, it is the camera was wrong, that is why our pictures are bad. Back on so second one your interview say it's not the camera but the way you see us, they edited the picture. Third one account say no, even if we are not beautiful, we have inner beauty. Me sana mo kan ni nyina no who share one physical who say ampa no kra ne say enye editing enye bibia enye inner beauty me physically ugly per the eyesight of George Lutot. But me ka say if you want to go and choose a life partner as a man, choose a beautiful woman. Look, massa, career, any beauty, choose beauty. Forget about career.
I'm say o kapa say o awade no yanhwa mo fe ma ye hwesuman.
Career, oye juma. O timi ye bibi, or the sika be fie. A woman's career is not part of the choosing things when a man wants to choose a life partner. I will tell you the role of work when it comes by Yekotusua. The first thing for a man to see is the beauty of the woman. Oba hunya fa wo bre anse no people. Oba bia ne hunya fo beni obi awale na. This any pan de nada.
Cancer some be na working. Which we see oba bi pa hu so oba we die. Sebi etu woni bi. Etu na flat ni nufo enso so. Bebe mo di na chini ne ka
na se na hede. Asa. Oni bibia na se no deje. It's a Bible mighty assess. Jacob here na been say wa ye adwuma 7 years for Rachel. awade ne ye wie na ne je say the rich man was sumo okore na ade no ori sa ade chi ya o ka say ye ade ye de ohwe nanim a na ye le a do tie wo hey wala no ba sorry ko you go catch up say ade am say be pa nya we na so no awe na se ne yende enti o ba bia no ho tan na se de
enye suban unyi say suban
the be more people oba be more person wari oba o hwe suban bia no onya awade no pe ope classroom work obe any man that is looking for a woman to marry and looks for character has a brain damage. You don't need character. Women look for character in men. Women look for safety in men. Women look for the security they want in men. Women look for title in men, but men look for beauty in women. So if you want to choose a life partner, before you introduce a woman to your family, this is the one I want to get married to. Make sure that she has a physical beauty. And your ba who see kroma who need for socks show no for say. Get no guarantee na make the make. And here for me share gay with Facebook so only no for. They be a big makasa onti.
They say when you dey.
Over socks. Just lift your breast like this. Put socks. Roll me. And when you walk like this.
This is a member now. Power now could do the no you know.
Na obia here surprise.
Okay.
I say mo amodi Moesha dey amutua the rent. Inufu mu de ye dey. Moesha budom.
Say nyame na me da.
Na wutumi ntua. You can never ever. You can't. Till you die, you can never. And that no circumstance can you pay and have sex with Moesha. You can't. Don't destroy your family. Ahinawo. Now. What do you mean? Don't say that again. If you I'm sorry. I apologize on his behalf that he has a taste for Moesha. You can't pay. Now hotel Moesha that matter. Me be some say mo amuni Moesha da no. Mo di nufu ye den. Na so gay here in there. Eye nisuo. Enti wo oba. Na wo ni nufu a. Wo pia bontia. Enhance your breast. Ebe yan so aboabo asika no. Na ko hye silicone. Fakakra ko hye ase. Na emaso. So that we see you are a woman, not a man. So a man who wants to go and hunt for a wife, don't let anybody deceive you. You don't need prayer. I declare in the name of Jesus, as I step out in town, Holy Ghost, direct me to the right woman. And Holy Ghost will lead you to a girl with no breast, a girl who is not beautiful, crack mouth, nitru sonko, or no, say natural, na nitu mu time, or ba nitu wanya town, say I'm doing natural. Where moon you for, who network, or read to say crocodile skin, cracks now bound, one more pie, no lip gloss, no makeup, won't swallow also you're natural, and you share. I mean, Uncle Beman may share your friends, Vicentia, that's why you're baby. Go and relax your body. The most important thing in the life of a man is not prayer, it's the beauty of the woman. You need a Jezebel as a wife. You need a Jezebel. You need a Delilah. Who share Delilah? Then what's the other now? Yeah, who say other now? Empire me bo Emma me yere say nyankopon man in Dani Delilah. Said they. Then you catch it. Yada can be them. Then you catch it for about Delilah. Then Delilah.
Now the minimum crowd says something.
Oh, yeah, then something. Samson, Mammy Jimmy. Samson, Mammy Jimmy, and Tina Samson. She has it. Nanya Delilah.
Obani Momo, no other than
that. Day. Bema, who's not working? And mine other one way. Baby, what way?
Now you,
what's it? You, that Dankasana. What's it? Come on, you, with you. This is me, and Bala Dada, why we be a jabby? Maybe. The first one can a call Facebook. Maybe. Miss Ram, all kind of way concert into fight channel. Now I will concert in Mana. Cousin, So the guy can sit your chair inside. See the can. Me concert for Ugusu Kasa. You are still speaking. You want to clear the air. SOBT. Shadman Kasa Tiabi. Now what you say about another be at home for an boy.
Oh, me provide. I will for one.
Describe.
Enough for it.
To say gay or buy.
To say fear.
That's soon to me snippet of your level. Occupational hazard. I know so you more.
I saw Michelle. I wanted there.
Like a worry. If you're telling you, I don't know where it was. Someone can use a best messy. Another confession. Another confession. Another confession. That's a girl. What you say? No, taste. Another confession. What can she know? What about you? What's the guy going to do? I just show why.
And you can't let this and but if I say, I won't fed over call. No, Suban, and also what you say. One who fed over call. You did can't overcall. Never near here. That can't be as usual. What do you call? If you are singing, you won't in the coy. I say, if you are naturally, no, who shall no pan as a penna, a bear. Nasa brako ya de ye mfa sembo kese e ma brako se tu ware efia because efia ho nyafe se bia wan fa ho fe
na and that is the mistake brako ye what I say enti be me bia wo pese ware no de di kan no hwehwe ahofe na wo hwehwe no ese ya ahofe a enya wo perfect. If you are looking for a beautiful woman to marry, don't look for a beauty that lies in the eyes of the beholder. Look for a beauty that is public evidence. Bro, for the man can say, public evidential beauty. Say, will you be are you the one married counselor? I say yes.
Are you the one married Mishra? Yes.
Say.
What kind of we come in here?
It's in Grove beside you, sir.
Huh?
In Grove, you sir.
Meaning,
and you may come as a now, Jama. Shall I go pass my wall? I
don't think that time I can't go out there, sir.
So why might you pass my wall? And Grove, she had me beside me, they say, madam, are you the wife of Councillor Lutrot? Or can say yes, only the Moka. I'm very disappointed. There's such a beautiful woman, you can marry such a thing. You are managing him. Wouldn't you tell? Menka na obiantie se meyere ne ho ofe. Enti nkrofo shiana eyo mo yase wawado obi te se me. Enti choose what we call public evidential beauty. Menko choose obi a nyame na de ma ono ana oje. Nyame ani o nyam.
I know they say ni Bible.
O say nyame na de ma nyame ono ana oje. O Bible. Job
nanum asem be ye ntroy.
Ewom 49 yenko for Bible. Me be say be Bible school. Me be say be kan Bible say ya.
We dey kan was me bi a kire.
Bi a kire me.
Bible how dey kan.
Say oni bi enko ade a. Tie da me kan. Say nyu bi ani Bible bi.
Kan was me.
Wo a wa concert po da mpo de ya mo bo asori nyumanti. Eja ko onua. Oni Bible bi. Tie da me kan. And to choose a woman with beauty. Matty so many lectures. I say every man who is not married, I am just encouraging you that from today, make sure that your prayer is, Lord, give me a Delilah for a wife. Give me a Delilah for a wife. Describe the type of Delilah you want. A woman with enough body. A woman with enough breast. A woman with a good skin. A woman with a good smell. Who's your bad and who offend? A dear young say, a man who offend. Don't want to tell you about me when and tell them chemo. Send me a dear when. What's your about when that? So what's she be that? Or baby or the new food also and tell me no bone. Tie me. Efia tie me. Efia tie me. Efia bia ye efia. Okay. Ade we she efia bia ne nufu mu bonda.
Da bi se wo ka efia bi se efia ba na wo ka se wo gusu ka efia so ase ga wasa.
I took us ehwa na make. Yes what? We are descending. Efia for doors na wo dey am efia so ase ga oka mo. Say fear for doors. Or say trig for doors. Until we fear for doors. Fear biama.
Asoma be kai ro.
Fear ba frewo. Ulufu tembo. what I want to say here.
I said that baby away. So pe.
Enya bibio.
Famu ya me.
Shed you wire me near and pop me away. Remember we are unfu musha. Get him wade. Oh baby all the new food doors and new food tem a bon tem. Net ne bonny sent it is a cook being brown. So who physical beauty you need to have personal hygiene, smell good. When people have enough breast between the two towers, it's easy for it to smell. Bible say, "Ye bani ni nufu suswa." Enti ye ntumi fa ne ma wade. So what kinda? Sons of Solomon.
Yeah.
Osi ye bani nufu suswa. Enti ye ntumi fa ne nya den.
Okasa no nyini.
Osi na ni okase the breasts are small. One kase uswa. Osi the breast.
So what say nyini na me so no.
David. Ni nufu suswa one kan nyini.
So what the new phone
can Greek now. Description was the towers, which was breast from the Greek description, and not by age. You want crowd when you get your choir nufu suswa. Bisa say what this say.
When so when you 28.
Obi oko 28 nufu okura. Nkola nufu. And you kase nufu suswa. Not just say, ya say di obi say ma. Be man to me not satisfied because Bible say, or see, and your breast will satisfy me. And to nufu no e ma be ma enyam kwatenten. Enti na me ba establish breast sucking consultancy. Me ba be yi cancer efi mba nufu mu. Unhu oba no. Na so ohye board ase ye di nufu na piepie be finako a consultancy just to help women to alleviate the form of cancer that comes in the breast. Enti nufu no take care of it. Na nya ntam keke na bon be ma bi wo ho mi bisa se wo ye bi da wo de o ye no korafo betimaka wo fi o baby nufu anu ho bo wada
mi ye bi da
o fi nufu na no wo di de so anu kakra nepo no obepo no na afọ na yi wrinkle na ewa anu na aba na wura wanum be me bia so wo ofisa na uhia sa nyama nketenkete a utumi njai nkotungu enti ya na dia shout tachara masese no etu de sha ma ye bi da fa me minimum ma bo wa saada enti o de sha ni tachara masese no ayela no gusu tafre enti so fi ho ba no ba wanuma osuo so be yam wanuma ti obeso omene wo attempt so be mene ha betia is that not was here one many particles and your ba unufu anu susun nipples no susun for you to work on your personal hygiene and presentation work on the nipples de bia no pa udware a fansuo ehohuru ni sei famia enye se wo ye we me utwitwi abepra enti fansuo no gusu saa na ye say just rub it because in kuna osra no eba ho de to so bio. For you to take care of your personal appearance as a woman, don't smear pomade whilst you are wearing brassiere. Go and sra yourself naked so that every part of your body will become uniform. Because told be a me be a suma, ye be a suna baby a Coca-Cola, baby a Fanta, maybe a malt. Bema so ne wine. To me can obey sa a kum bema. So the physical appearance is good, but let us have a personal, definite hygiene, good smell for your physical appearance, which means oba uhuye fani eshiawa me ma umatiemu bon oba umatiemu so to me bon efise wo uhuye fe emba mu hu efe dodo no umatiemu bon ni nufu ntem bon na ya se bon na num bon efise ne hu ofe. So when you are going to choose a beautiful woman but with these characteristics. Eti wa wo tie me anufu mu bon ma kire ode obe akoko bi ninti udware a twitwififi ni man twitwi ni de be ekro bokoboko bi ensuo guso na do dare ma 3 months if aya hu aduo ensuo no ba free fatwi ase ma left one so twi ase efia ade na efia ba manimsa ma so na twi ase efia papa bu na efia papa bi unu efia papa bi oh sa presenter short bi sa or your friend if you ne to doors
no no asem na wo refer to
the efiafo na nkasa mo nufo
sa to aso
e go say swasinga
na you already efiaso ni nufo
efiaso swasinga and again no go the friend efia ya mbo na wie no ba efia bia woni nufo ya mbo na wie no ba omo nufo pa omo nufo eti that's it. Number 2 onya nufo wie na wanya kala se wo ye tuma men po ho men ka se ko po ho ba ye obi o ye tum be ma na se ni tum no mu no e ye clean e ye neat obu also ye tum na so tum na nkasa na fi wom dware ye men pa ho penku ene wodi enkuto na ni wodi asira nkuto na nkuto na wi abo achibon enti se nkuto na osra enkuto ni aye so many refined nkuto koko bata ni de keka ni nyina ye nkuto ya twe afim enti paade ye hu am kakra na fafra nkuto no nasra na ho nyefe na ho pampanya de ngina ye umotuemu bo modern na shave umotuemu aye shave no enti ema sweat glands ni begina enwi ni mu na abon now the deodorant yeswa antiperspirant no to me nko sweat glands na umotuemu bon oba so ho ofe ni ho bon to me nka nkire no be ma bia waware oba no ho ofe bia no bre won pam
na ho venti
Untumi ka say na ho bon.
O kan wo sure say onyonkofo frɛ Charlie I meet your woman today. I swear. Charlie. This machine they use that they talk say Charlie if you don't say you use her like me I go take you so. And you be who say you know who of kasa who enjoy. Now be me bia no who of no. Who you mu 10 8 are suffering in bed because beautiful women they have what it takes to maintain marriages so their sexual drive is low. They create the sexual drive for you as a man with their beauty, but they are not good in bed.
No, some that was
and yes, some that was almost children who want them. And I was so send Bube Fuso Jawa dear. And to my father, son out to him. Now, who's your bad and who time? Or him so one who time, Uja will be alpha, and to their senior level. Maunans, wo nande no, Bodancha, wo nande no, Koni ma fata, oh, who can I know? Who done in another Danny? No ban who fed or done in now. What's this? Baby, you break my knees. I feel pain in my spine. I feel so weak, honey. I have a headache when I went to the salon to fix this hair. So beauty is essential to choose for a life partner as a woman. Now, as a man, the next thing you need to check is the communication skills of a beautiful woman. Women who are beautiful don't know how to communicate well.
So officer who offensive.
Onim kasa. Because Obia said who offend. And I'm say the fact said who offended. Every time obenya foforo o just say eti ne kasa ni nyina ye bom o kasa ti say Cecilia friend say Dana Samoa
e ba cho Dana Samoa ka wasa obi di message ba wase hwe wasa ma wo ka so ni ja Dana Samoa sanka
eni po de wetumi fo ne futu so de opa na afa
afutu so nye duabo
me da say enti me pa na me fa
enye duabo ntifa
say no na aka say ho ofe what must say eti kasa we enum no oba bia wo tie me ahofe. If you know you are beautiful, you know. And let me say this before I move on. Any woman who is beautiful, she knows she is what? Beautiful.
And it's for someone telling you our lentem.
And yes, someone our lentem. And bear me suro won. And then me last part no. Match now how to go and propose to a beautiful woman. And that is why we are going to end today. How to propose to an ugly woman and how to propose to a beautiful woman. Okay. Once you know you are beautiful as a woman, present yourself beautiful every time. If you're always in pawns, come up with pawns. And work in between your breasts, work in your armpit, and work in your anal region. Anal region. You see, anal region. And what you say, you can say.
Anal region.
Uturumu kwine.
Oh,
Sammy Campbell for Biante.
To Sabi Kakra.
There are not some Yama.
I want to Sabi now. The by Chino, Uber translate no. Now the Sabi.
And I'm busy. I can't say.
Utokwine, simple.
Utokwine. Utokwine. And to Utokwine. About to son, Utokwine Mubon. Sir. If he said, Uko baby, so I want to win transit and Pepauto. And today be an almost sorry as some Pomoto. A Tomo Papa. Na particles na ka ho esunti na ka bom u hia no na be born dog ya na bo afa so pan ti se duabo ade we share bi da asema make wa da bi asema make wa oba bi ani ha na wa so hone ani na so hone
so de wo kana asa e bo fa me so
ai u share bi da body
e share bi da be ne wo kana em ngwa
efia
tie
o say
efia foi Kasira baby you.
Aden.
Efia benya sana ko tapon.
Efia bia ye fia.
And Ulusa Fiabe, if Yana, if you are Swaziniga, can say, only we say, Bueno,
trigmatic. So they trigger what trigger? I'm saying one trig. And to make a fear. If you have a baby, if you can use her, if you only knew for her, and if you are Schwarzenegger, but if you tea, or baby out to sono, and chen out to bone, and to make child say, oh, cock baby swap, pay pure water, and the summer, for roto. Moon so more jaria, won't pack on Yakatua and see a jaria ho. There be a found and see a comiano so. Oh, jari we are, fence so half bucket, fetch him, shim, shim, shim. Shim samna fashion se shim ye fa samna horo yase ya de twitwi ya de horo yato e so ba woto so no it is one of your challenges so mu ye de to so bio oba woto so no u pia address akwa bonten a oba bia wonam a woto wo so no wo ye indecent member obio na bobio oba wonam a woto wo so when you walk and your butt is shaking it's an indecent way of presenting yourself as a beautiful woman who has enough buttocks. The reason is that you have your buttocks must be held and yet ding. But once you dress up, it should be held. When it is exposed, it should be loose. What did I'm trying to say? Say when I'm chrome na bear me hua. I say a tono abo. And say woso. One nantia. I saw baby nantia outro one. Nyami shara na ball to me. Until go see a zig zack. And yet bubble.
He says, "What to boom?"
Obo akwa no turu bubom sa kra. Se no ebia no onim catwalk, onim se na nante. E ma do bezu nim nante.
Na mse nante se otro one. Enti catch ro mo se nante atro one. Enti kwa left right. Na we bo we so, na bo we so na yefe. Ba onam na to ye gbem. No, enti na se we be dress ahye bibi e be hold ya to na e we lose no. Na so ye hia wo dem na ye woro a e se ye lose.
Enyemre.
E se ye mre. What I say? I say I'm re and your baby. Mon kai say memo, Bama bia, be walla no be pema grow de bi or see gradanson on your pema grow. Bisan say adentia. Or yow. You don't need to take your bath before sexual intercourse.
Ebia no oni di pano asem kan for example ebia anya ne gere oni na konantia kodio mania
oba nanti for 72 hours and say wo bon
wa jonso a
you oba jonso for 3 days and say na sebon jese onim se ne ye no wa sebe bo ana jese wo jonso a wonim jonso en ba bi se si om ko jonso om kutu sei okoto ade no so sei kafra se me to demonstrate na okoto na chi sei a owie a urim de oye owie a no awoso no hu te so ye bema enti jonso ne nsoso e na jonso bon se bi
oh kansa ya to sebe kak awia bo
na bi ye kan ya to sebe
sebe ejanan
okay. Jonso bon say janan. If a woman wants to know why she's smelling, the urine of every human being smells more than feces. So if you go and wee and you don't wait for the discharge of all the wee, it pours in your panty cotton and it goes to rub on the hair on your private part, then you smell. So when you walk 72 hours, a man can lick you without smell. And remember, licking is not a sin. Shut up, pastors. Shut up, men of God. Shut up, those of you who don't know the importance of licking. The evidence of a man's clearing the throat, a man that has constant sore throat. If you are a man that constantly you lose your voice, just lick.
Yes, and yet.
Why can't?
Yeah, won't you?
Why?
So for Saturday.
Oh, ha. Some guys, money warning. So I'm part of from preaching. Catch a sack what they say, me see. I'm part of from preaching. While licked and won't say any.
I say,
while licked.
Oh,
me me so while licked. Only station beauty, I know, I'm so I lick it. Me say while licked.
And I know, Nippon one yet.
So, what the while licked.
Oh, any business.
So for Sarkodia, we no first and last. Prescriptive for the preaching. Sarkodia, Hannah preaching. Wakonya Suna Betino. We no first and last. Matisia Silka. Na me ma warning. Who name licking who for shut up, Sarkodia.
Nadia, so yeah, throat cancer.
Me challenge every clinical person. Licking can never give you throat cancer. Never.
Never mind.
Me see, you'll be a friend. CS4. CS2, CS1. It is an ingredient in the woman's private part that when it goes into your throat, oh my God, the only time I will meet Sarkodia is Sarkodia will testify that he has done it before. You can't talk about what you have not done before. Do you know the importance of licking? What do you mean? And this is why baby I will tell me Marcianinya fresh because of the leaking. Because ye bahwa pampa bit me ball for found so now I block of back. Near your foot must sport egg. Ladies and gentlemen. And no na sa kwadia canon. Ye be suma sa kwadia na bong. Sa kwadia cat because when she be pen. He lost it, sa kwadia lost it. Sa kwadia man can be. Bonnie Biano. And your bar would see me see one activity because I want to do it. No, I have to freshen up first. You don't need to freshen up. So work on your body so that you will not have bad odor when you work even for 72 hours. And 3 days you shouldn't smell.
And you want that friend is
Kasa.
Why is that?
That friend is out then. Bama say could dynamic to me no one that Debbie is the wrong thing. You don't need to bath. You don't wash well.
You come on.
Debbie you I didn't say it here. Temperature war man can be down. And your texture what he said, you say. Now you say, you will see the temperature in the place. Ha! When you're cold. Now, what mean you fine? Now, a dear, oh, ya koye. Now, don't want it butter who say. Now, we are. Oh, inhale.
Okay, we could see here radio. Yeah, several fathers message you about the can farm out. Now, you're going to
your bad who are forward. Pow bad who are fair. Now, and Bam who are fair, Mutibis and Mimano, as a Bemani complain, say, almost for Bam who are fair, and Pempino, almost a cook day, and ye. Once I will pour one, I'm able to Ube. If you bleach, you have an odor which is bad smell. So stop bleaching. You can tone your skin. Get when you be saying I'm not say tone your skin. Even else, or say I'm toning my skin, and you tone your skin. If get your friend say, if you just nigga bodyguard here, we Johnny your friend say, get will be a by your friend. Miss Bell, Miss Bell, 16. Miss Bell see upon. No, I knew who saw upon was out and who put up poem or yenti went me maintaining. Don't start what you can continue. So the important thing is that every man watching me go for a beautiful girl. Any girl watching me, if you are ugly, enhance your beauty. Enhance your beauty. Bible might say in the book of Esther chapter 2. If you read chapter 2, chapter 3 carefully, Bible see ye de busumin siani e chire ye Esther weduma sene be an ho be fe e se na ne ho time.
And a memano son tafre
o say
memano son tafre
na bien can so mon tafre ye catch a be me bia say be man de oba da won tafre na nse ase na ade ne da no ko bunsam dem
cancer media
won say ko bunsam dem hwese na aboditi yi se na aboditi yi o tafre so ho na ekoka ase ho a wo ba ne ti nyunya anyonyam
mame
Sokohima
mienu imra
mechiao
na yemie fo yini na yenko yanim we dey medika ka wasi jai dana samu asem no kan
ka jense minjai
na
minjai
unya say
minjai kan until so on ka je dana samu so we pacho asan that's all dem bio
we say ye fe no oba papa o se kan say nti say oba ho ofa na udi ahofo na chiko wale no na so ba awade mu na se ahochire ba na ahofo ne kwa oba ne dai
eti wo kwa ware oba no ho ofa next week e beto aso. What are the preparations you need to do to go and get a beautiful woman? Because ukoto BMW now ukoto Kia Pride, the maintenance costs are not the same. Who driving Vibe now driving Volvo a friend say a cost service in Bakoba. Ye tro check ni brown now would mu check so mu clear. Who better say we account here pew. What I say? Until you buy what you can maintain. So if you want to have a beautiful woman, their beauty will not go. Say only new for no call silicone now shiana. And what time a silicone yes make budget for the replacement of the silicone in the breast. What must say? say enko use nti ama ne widi atoso atonu skin to say Yvonne's nice skin but more than say the cost of the cream you know we factor into going to choose so ahofe ne kwa wo na mama na ko oba bia ohu ofa menko wade ohiani debi ebeye ube wu akobonsam jem
we say cancellation comedian eniema na wo ye wa ha no
eja ko aja adwuma na me ya abo no wo na say career na ewu nmaje
0204875875 0209875875 na ya fasima be nu na fe cancel aso 5 minutes na yeko yanim na bibia ntim ko yi hello 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 okay
so nyame adoma next week obiamba ya obiaba
hello yes sir obani udin baby akasa free yo mami ntie we
suban bi te said den
o si suban bi sa te said den
yes sir yensu ade
edu wasi suban
bi suban ma ye suban ni bia enye yensu ade yetie o a bit said then specific Debbie Bema the esuma mami example therefore me sra mami example suban bi ti say ni esua ade mami suban ni bi me da say bon sema ho uko for ba o ba se no ja insan no ma o ye widini e so to aso no mo nsan
bye
Maybe why do you change something that you went for?
Hello. Mama ye tie wo so.
Mama ho afa na. Bisanse no ho afa na. A bit said then. A bit said them.
Me pacho wadaro ma. Ensam no doso. Ebi dia yi. Ayo.
Ensam ben sa.
Wasi ensam na ni susu.
Na sum na ya susu wona sum. Ye kan no cross ensam no susu.
Hello.
Bible says a lack of knowledge people
yes, sir. Good afternoon. Ka chira mo fe. Ayo, sawa madaba, mami jewe. Tokra mo isere be ku, yanko yanim. Yo, mate, maka chere no. Mate. Wasi udi oba ho fachi a, oba ko wale jata.
Oboa.
Me
so boa wunya bi da.
Hello.
Oba ho fa de si ye de ko jilo. Hwa wo ye ho afa. Wo yire ho afa, you can have long life because your wife is beautiful.
Hello. No. Yes, I wouldn't be akasa free.
Good afternoon. Me pa so thank you dewa me kasa tu ya.
Mami jewe.
Me pa so
what's you? Bisa.
What's the one question you?
Me ba cho na ma, what's say walu bon. What's oba na wo be man. What's yes ye nyari linkin na o ya be ma wonu mu.
Eyentro.
Wo say ye nya.
There many penu mu bon halitosis. Nyama e formi e wo wanu me ma wanu bon e wo techrema so. Na oba se bibi wo ba se atafre na se a ehohoro wo techre masombo enti wo techre masobon no opa fo enum ebon no etafre ase wo bewie na aye clean
yemfa ba ko ere yen sori so na yemfa face na me ma ko na kan hello yes ma me ba jo udi di say good afternoon do udi di say Dina some mammy dear way, Councilor. The Pacha Tamna, Kaka Kano, said, or buy or their so young walk. And yet, I'm more friendly everyone to buy. Because I said, more father. Oima, Miss Raw, Miss Raw, Oima, Miss Raw, Oima, Miss Raw. Mr. Oima Mr. Wede wa Brazil ni die mu wo fa na woni meduane no ana asen da to be ma bia line so ye da se ko wa so ndwe mu a nyame nhira wo we na ehia se wo baba ho fa ache na aduane no a ho na make say if you have problem with a beautiful woman, what are the problems so we can solve it now for the beautiful woman. Last caller. Hello, we did baby akasa free. Achobo
Veronica wo mo to awie mo wote o ba mini na kan wie ya shiba mi mini wie ya shiba mi aka mini wie o fa ne mini na kwale wie tafla che mini na kwale wie ya shiba mi mini o hiya mi ni kemke bi ye no ni wa yu one taflache won to taflache e wo ko bi mbotu e no ni wa yu o david kefie won kaseni e wo ko kwani kase mo won kaseni ni akase o taflache akaseni e wo ka bo le omu e taflache ka o le omu e ko le omu e ta won sune no wo won kaseni
obi dia bo se cancel this time no nya bla wo so ye cancel wo se we musa we numera sa
there be enka we have
we teach
yes you use slang words for teaching.
Yeah.
Say our biology class this time. That's why I'm using slang words.
Yeah.
Make me treat it the same thing. Now I will use the words explicitly, but now I'm using slang words. Me can say. Now me can say. But me teach you say, how do you maintain your beauty to attract the right man? Okay. Men should go for women who are beautiful. And if you are beautiful, next week, ye tie say, nyama ben sa na wo mba omo fe ho anti ambema regret in marrying them. And I'm going to say, back on the personal hygiene. And you say, work on your beauty and work on your personal hygiene.
And well, the message in by say, yesra wadaroma, where and chere, it is a different issue. And no bet me area about appropriate time, but we are not the idea. Ye chere se ne be ya amount for be nti mpacho baby akaka ntokwa no kono na odin mpese
on camera me ho direct na me dia me so ntokwa so because we are beautiful now ni meduane no a you will lose it. We are beautiful now ni me fie kura ye de you be losing nti obi a wo tie me a wa wo baba ne ho ofe no work on her. What I say work on her tete no oba wade a ye ma no boafo ye ma no house help because akwa bi etin ma me ne papa fie no okwa awade ne na ka no no nko boa no na oba se sia ne nete no then na o kire no washing o kire no cooking o kire no how to serve on table e say be ma ye bofufuo ma oba ko to plate mu no oba no pese o wu ntem oba de o bofufuo ma wo kunu a e say ye den mienu e say be ma no nyame bo na se be ma dua no abade wo na den emienu enti e mama fufu a odefo emienu oba so ne kokoso nufo na gira so dan mienu enti wo serve wo kunu a serving alone gives man long life nyame adom na next week ye betena ha ye be kire mo nyama enti oba ho ofe beautiful women go to marriage and they come home the things they do the errors they do so if you are beautiful the things you need to do now so that you have a holistic lifestyle working on your beauty, working on housekeeping, working to be a wife. You need to be trained as a woman, as a female, and as a wife. Wa wetie me a wo hia emwa bia de me na me kasa ye 0277 609 and a 644 0277 609 644. Nyame adoma your donation egusu koso. You call one place to the other. You call Buti New Hospital for their diabetic and asthmatic people. Mama be public clinic by Jenny dear, Rich Hospital by Jenny dear. One swab baby I would tell Brown so yeah asthmatic who here be no Kai say yeah. Now Council Foundation for Health, Diabetes and Asthma no. Yan the opposite boy and dear, you move money no one in the hole. And one day here 055 000 5077. That's all no bad. 055 000 5077. And one now a Vodafone cash here 0507 150 223 0507 150 223. Now what USD 862 215 2007. Nyame adom na enkwabi biemaya ye besen share bio na ye kase hwe na wan kase ntie nyame ni pe bia ne de obewu ene wanu moja bema na me hira se watire mama sokohima ma bre se me no aye adwuma se sebio wanim enkoye mame me nka so ho otamba enkoye mame. I don't get inspiration, I get desperation.
Open ne bo wosra na
sokohima ewum se nu fum dos mo no kasa. You say counselor sit there. I just feel.
Okay, I will say yes. Nyame yadom a da se na ye be say sia o kasa video so. Cancel Lutrot and amote nka no. Me did insuraba kwabna asdi. Be tram di ma na atwe sokohima. Adom de me ne a ye be say sia. Me ho akaban. Ya puto mu sia na ba beto aso dia mo.
Fear bi ni.
Asa me brown me bono. Body talk. Body talk brown.
Start use way. Be use body talk. Ati lufu ni. Wo so ni anhwe. Brown size ya dai. Let me tell you brown.
Body talk don so good.
Ati uni mo size. Uni mo size. And then next week nkoma e be di no. Say wo na mo ba wo lufu say uni mo breast size. Uni mo breast size. Hwe. Akwena kwa betu. Ajay. Afia no. Ne nufu no. Ana le tuni e. Ah next kwa betu. I saw my boss. So wrapping up and going out well. It's been lovely. It's been clear. And so we thank all of you so much. The Zelle account has just been dropped down there. We are learning, and I want to leave it here. That God bless you. It's a simple thing. We are not attacking anybody. We are bringing knowledge to bear. Be beautiful. Look presentable. Don't live with smell. Don't live with anything that will affect your lifestyle. In life, you don't have to be beautiful, but be beautiful and presentable. Once you are beautiful and presentable, you win a lot of laurels from people. Who tie me? Na akoyama. But what then say? Assembly I want to ask you 0277 609 644. Marry a beautiful woman, so you'll be happy. Men who are married to beautiful women, they are always excited at home. When you see your wife, you see long life, you see prosperity, you see a lot of good wills once your wife is beautiful. Those of you who are ugly women, enhance your beauty for marriage. Enhance your beauty for marriage. Enhance your beauty. I encourage you to enhance your beauty for marriage. Don't live under, oh my God. This is one of the girls who is struggling with no breast. And she needs money to enhance her breast. She has the height that every man will go for. But we have to work on her breast. She has the shape. But when she has the breast for it, you know what I'm talking about? So beneath, next week we are going to learn how to maintain the beauty we have, how to work on ourselves, how to dress, how to appeal to the taste of men. We're going to teach men how to win the taste that you see in town. 0277 609 644. 0277 609 644. I bow out as Counselor George Lutrot, and I'm ready to teach you. This is the School of Marriage and Relationship. this and every Thursday. You join us from 11 o'clock to 1 p.m. every Thursday. Get ready to subscribe to my YouTube channel to go and learn other things that we have already taught before you came. Let me say a big thank you to Dr. and Mrs. Felix Kwesing for their support. That's the Director of Finance for the Council of Lutheran Foundation. Same here to one and only, no other person, but Ya Ofran, our chairperson for Council of Lutheran Foundation. And in Ghana, one and only Mr. Amadou, the CEO of High Sense, who is our local chairman in Ghana on Council of Lutheran Foundation and Health. Tuesday coming, get ready to watch us live as we do our donation for people with diabetes and asthma. Rice is ready, everything is ready. God bless you wherever you are. Live long, live long. Live long, live long. If you are single, seek for premarital counseling. Thank you very much, Pastor Emmanuel. Just drop our Momo number to help the foundation. Wherever you are, don't get angry with the truth. Work on the truth. I'm excited. Thank you so much. Bodyline Clothing for my outfit. What I'm wearing is from Bodyline Clothing. Can you see it? Nice pairs, nice shoes from Mr. Yom, nice socks. Are you admiring the way I look? Oh, that's George Detroit for you. I like myself. Even me as a man, I choose what to wear. I smell good. I look good. Don't worry about anything. We'll do more lecture on the importance of leaking and its benefits. Thank you very much. Stay blessed as you send us the help that you can do. 2 cedis, 10 cedis, $10, $1,000, $100 to help for a wedding course. I'm out of here for now. Till I see you again. Enjoy the best of life. Bye for now. Share. Thank you, Ima, for the Vodafone number. Thank you so much. I'll see you. Bye.